Top 10 crazy facts about famous inventors. Fact 1. Garrett Morgan. An African-American inventor, Garrett Morgan patented the gas mask and the three-position traffic signal, which is the basis for modern traffic lights. Fact 2. Isaac Newton. His laws of motion and universal gravitation conducted experiments with prisms that led to his groundbreaking work on optics. Fact 3. Albert Einstein. His famous theory of relativity, outlined in the early 20th century, transformed our understanding of space, time, and gravity. Fact 4. Lonnie G. Johnson. An aerospace engineer, Lonnie G. Johnson invented the Super Soaker water gun, is one of the most successful and popular toys in the world. Fact 5. Jonas Salk. Jonas Salk developed the first effective polio vaccine in the 1950s. Fact 6. Ada Lovelace. Often regarded as the world's first computer programmer, Ada Lovelace wrote detailed notes and algorithms for Charles Babbage's analytical engine, which is considered a precursor to modern computing. Fact 7. Steve Wozniak. While Steve Jobs is often associated with the success of Apple Colorado, founder Steve Wozniak played a crucial role in creating the first Apple computers, including the Apple I and II. Fact 8. Ray Tomlinson. The inventor of email, Ray Tomlinson chose the @ symbol to separate the user's name from the computer they were using, which is still widely used in email addresses today. Fact 9. Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the British computer scientist, is known for inventing the World Wide Web, a technology that transformed the way we access and share information. Fact 10. Stanislav Petrov. While not an inventor in the traditional sense, Stanislav Petrov is known for preventing a potential nuclear war. In 1983, he correctly identified a false alarm of a U.S. missile attack, which could have led to a catastrophic conflict. For more daily science videos like this, please comment, share, and subscribe.